Hello everyone, myself Anil Kumar here in front of you with one more topic from biology. Welcome everyone, and today in this class we are going to study about the cell. Cell, the basic unit of life, its structure and function. So here in this class we are just going to have the introduction of what is a cell. So what is a cell means? It can be called as a structural and functional unit of life. Why is it called as a structural and functional unit of life? It is called a structural unit of life because it is the main thing that is responsible for giving structure to a body. May it be an animal, may it be a plant, whatever the living organism it is. If it is having a particular structure, it is only because of the presence of cells. It is only because of the distribution of cells in an order. And not only that, whatever the functions that are carried out inside the human body or an animal body or whatever the plant body, all the functions are undertaken by the cells. In multicellular organisms, we have cells which are divided into different types depending on the place where they are present and depending on the work they do, they are present in different locations of the body. And they have specialized function. They have specialized function. For example, nerve cells. Nerve cells are the neurons, they undertake the function of carrying out the impulses from the brain to various parts of the body and from various parts of the body to the brain. And if you look at the cells that are present in our digestive system, these cells, they help in the digestion of food material, they help in the absorption of food material, and the cells that are present in our lungs, that is the alveoli cells, they help in the absorption of oxygen and the removal of carbon dioxide from the body. So like this, different cells have different functions in our body, including the skin cells, the osteocytes which are also called as bone cells. Every cell has its own function. Every cell has got its own function. And this is the reason as the cell itself is doing all the functions inside the body, it is called as the functional unit of all living organisms. Yes, here you can have a look at atoms. Smallest atom they unite to form molecules, and molecules they unite to form organelles, the cell organelles. In a eukaryotic cell organelles are present, and those cell organelles are made up of molecules, and they together they make a cell. And cells, a group of cells they unite to form a tissue, and group of tissues unite to form organs. And group of organs unite to form an organ system, and group of organ systems unite to form an organism. For example, I am an organism, I am made up of various organ systems: digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, reproductive system, nervous system. Like this, various systems are present in the body. So all these systems together, they make an organism. And again, each system, it is made up of organs. For example, if you take the digestive system, mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, that is the duodenum, ileum, gingum, large intestine, liver, gallbladder. So like this, various organs are present. And again, these organs are made up of smallest unit of cells, that is a small group of cells, they form tissues. And tissues are finally made up of cells, and they are made up of more smaller particles. The organelles, cell consists of various organelles in it, and they are made up of molecules, and molecules are finally made up of atoms. Hope I am clear to you. That's all for today. In our next class, in our next video, we will be learning more about the cell. Thank you for watching.